Good day, my friend. I have here a Nova 55 inches LED TV. I'm going to plug in and power on this TV. And let's wait a few minutes to see what the problem of this LED TV. The Nova logo appear now. Let's wait a little bit. It's in antenna mode. I notice that there are lots of horizontal hairline. The picture is not normal. Take a look at the top of the screen. That's the original or normal display of this LCD screen. Let's press the menu button and observe the picture. It's having a vertical hang bars. It looks like this LCD panel has a lot of trouble. The screen have a burnt glass. This corner is burning. It's very hot. This is the model number of this 55 inches LED TV. And this is the board called Combi board, the all-in-one board. Let's check it visually. And this is the T-Con or timing control board. And this one is the LCD top board. Before we start, disclaimer. This is my way on how to repair a LED TV. If you don't like my style, you are free to jump off this video. Now let's begin. Hang the cable flex one by one to determine which side of the panel has a problem. Check the screen display. The black side is the one that I've hanged. And the other side has a ruster, but it seems like it has a decoloration. I almost put back the flex that I've hanged. But I saw something on this flex. It looks like their other technician fixed this LED TV. It has a paper that blocked some of the signals. Let's remove this itchy bitchy teeny weeny paper method. For me, it's better to use tape. But it's up to you, my friend. You can use anything, but don't cut your license or your birth certificate. Wait for a few seconds, my friend, for I will clean the mess of the other technician made. After removing the paper and cleaning the cable flex, I will test the TV and see what happened to the LCD screen. I'm doing this because I want to see the original problem of this LED TV. Good backlight, but no picture. So this is the original problem of this Nova 55 inches LED TV. Now, let's try again to hang this ribbon or cable flex and see what is the difference. It seems like the other side of the LCD screen is okay. But wait for a few minutes, the problem will appear again. The discoloration appear. Some of our co-technician is very much aware to this screen trouble. Especially my good friend Ryan Crossett, he is more talented than me. You can visit his channel for proof. Now, let's check the LC1 and LC2 voltage. The LC1 and LC2 is a swapping voltage. Now let's start checking voltage. The swapping voltage is normally working, but the positive supply makes the screen irritate. That's why it has a discoloration. Let's bypass and cut the supply of the LC1 and LC2, but before that, we're going to remove the resistor to HC1 to HC6 in the other side of this top board. It's better to remove resistor than doing a paper or tape method. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you updated. And if you think this video helps you, please share it to your family and friends. Thank you. Now, I will remove all the resistor. After removing the resistors, cut all the positive line and signal to prevent or stop the shorted glass from overheating or burning. Cut the VGH, swapping voltage, and the line of HC1 to HC6. And last, bypass the swapping voltage and use a boost converter to supply a stable positive supply to LC1 and LC2. The input of this boost converter is 12 volts from the VCC of the timing control board. As you can see, I use a resistor to the output of the boost converter, but it's optional. It's up to you, my friend. In single wire, connect the LC1 and LC2. The red wire is the output of the boost converter. You can use magnetic wire. I only use a wire to make it more visible to you, my friend. But before you bypass the swapping voltage, make sure that you remove the fusible resistor that connected to LC1 and LC2 to DC IC. Now, let's power on this LED TV and see what's the result of our magic. The backlight is on now. Let's see the screen if there is any improvement. Wow, it's magic! The display or picture is normal now. No more horizontal hair lines or fine lines. This is the burnt glass that I'm telling to you, my friend. Now, that there is no more supply coming in to this side of the LCD screen panel, this side will not overheat again. The LC1 and LC to stable passive supply is 18 volts. Let's measure it, my friend. Focus to my digital multitester. As you can see, we measure 18 volt stable positive supply. You can connect it to the 15 volt stable supply, or AVDD of the timing control board, but in this case, the screen wants a more higher supply than 15 volts, so I use a boost converter. Now let's put back the back cover and test this Nova 55 inches LED TV for several hours. The picture is normal now. This is Jovid Tech PH. Thank you for watching.